Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, we
we're
don't have
live
lives.
now.
Oh shit, we're live. Welcome to Shitcoin Talk episode 30. It's a Friday. It's beautiful. It's weird. I am dumb on Twitter at DUM. I'm gonna do introductions real quick and get into it. Noose, how's it going, man?
It is going amazing. I made a 20% return on the month, and it's not as good as some people with their 100%, their 500%. But dude, I had a life and didn't have to piss in a bottle, didn't have to take out a college loan. Things are going great. How about you guys?
Good. Pass it over to someone.
Let's see. We're gonna pass over to Juggalo.
I'm
been a
at
while,
Crypto
bro.
Juggler, and I'm a shitcoin speculator. I'll keep it short and simple.
What?
Dude, you're not a minor at heart.
Yeah, I was
Not
waiting for that.
Off to Mansa.
Can you guys hear me?
No.
Oh,
From
don't
the
even,
moon?
you fucking dog. I'm not even letting you have that.
All right.
You know what they say.
I was going to scream right over that intro.
God damn it. I can't ever get along. All right. Gus, you ruined your introduction.
Wait, man, I'm not done with my freaking intro.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, totally you are. Pass that shit along.
Yeah, what's going on, Grow Digi?
Yo guys, Grow Digi here, old school miner trader. Hand it over to Ambroid.
Hey, I'm Android. I'm not as drunk as yesterday.
Oh, get the fuck off the show then.
You would not want me on the show yesterday, man. Yeah, bastard it off to chop liver.
Need a coin, what's up, dude?
I think he's gonna refuse to talk, and I respect that.
Well,
Okay.
I was, but Godston stole my epic intro, so this is just like all the calls I make and everything like that. Godston's basically my fucking sock puppet, so yeah, I'm Needlecoin on Twitter. Hit me up. That's it.
Okay. We got a big coin list. We missed last week, but we're back. So episode 30, here's the coin list, and we're not gonna hit all of these. There's so many goddamn coins. Verge, Ethereum Classic, Digibyte, Zero Cash, Actum. I don't want to read all these. God damn it. Databits, Syscoin, Zero Coin, Arc, Vox, Wild Beast, Bitcoin, Decred, RDD, the Zen, Z Classic, Swap, Burst, Flow, Litecoin, Counterparty, Pascal, Rise, Waves, Guppy, Vox, Black, Vox, what the fuck, and Bcash. So that's the Twitter list. Chart guy, what do you have pulled up right now? Waves?
Yeah, waves, boy.
All right, let's look at Waves, I guess, first. Why not?
Yeah, it's making new highs, fucking finally, because it's just solid. And these Russians have had news like throughout these months, ever since the fucking ICO. They were just steadily building it up. And now it's paying off finally. So,
Yeah.
it's making new highs until it's not.
Yeah, I was gonna say that I've actually seen a lot of pictures of Sasha and like super like like important forums and stuff shilling the coin, and it's like you see him with his shirt and jeans looking like a why do all the like crypto devs have to look like they're like on heroin or something, he's sitting there next to like Vitalik, talking about shitcoins in front of bankers, whatever. I called the coin a while ago, and I've been holding. I think it's $1 billion project, and they're pushed to get into. For some reason, all the big exchanges are like lowballing them. They can't get into Polo. They can't get into Kraken. And,
no, they got into Polo, but then they got kicked out because they fucked up.
Yeah. But like, I mean, that was a while ago. Why haven't like Polo like changed their mind about them and stuff? So it kind of sucks, but it's you know it's good too because that means the chart it's normal and it's climbing slowly. If it was on Polo or something, noobs would be jumping in and like, FOMOing every now and then, you know, just being annoying.
Yeah.
So
What was the ICO price again? It was like 25,000 or something.
It was
33,000.
It was 33,000, but
33?
if you
If
knew
you bought
how
in
to-
from like if you swapped in some assets and
yeah,
stuff, man,
exactly.
these guys have got like weird ways to get in. The
Pretty
X
much.
and the NXT guys all have like weird asset things you can swap and get in cheap or whatever.
That volume looks ridiculous, man.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Looking pretty good. Yeah, I was surprised. I mean, this thing's kind of just been taken off the last like week or two. So yeah, no, I've been holding waves in the wallet for all the stupid fucking airdrops like Exotic Car Club and Build the Wall and whatever else there is.
Hillary
So
for jail.
yeah, it's so stupid, but yeah, I think it's looking pretty damn good. So
So why do we talk about Verge? I don't think we've ever talked about it on the show before.
okay, gladly. Let's talk about Verge. Even today, it looks like it's trying to do the damn thing. Yeah, this one, the last 2 weeks has been a fucking amazing, man.
Simple chart, boys.
There it is.
Yeah.
God damn.
There
I
was,
don't know what
there
they're
was a fundamental reason, right? It was just I think it was 4chan just flexing, right?
I guess, but then
Yeah,
they've
it's-
carried out
it's-
decent volume. Like it's sitting at 1,000 Bitcoin volume again today. So
Jesus.
I know. Yep, Verge. Well, we called it a billion times on the show. So.
Yeah, you got 301 days to not be a dumbass and buy a fucking local top.
Dude, you even had more. Like, look at this nice breakout from the accumulation,
Yeah.
and then we had these bullish continuation candles, which retested the support. We did not down below, so you just should have rebought fucking here, and you're right in this.
Yep.
No fucking excuses, and I called this several fucking times as well.
Everybody,
on Twitter and
yeah.
shit.
So.
Yeah, but you
I don't
know
even
what?
think-
It was the same story. Like, oh, it has no volume. The order book is bad. I'm a fucking.
The order book is bad.
How am I supposed to exit today if I just feel shaky? Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, it's true. It was an
What up, boys?
accumulation at 1-2 Satoshis. There's really no reason to grab a little. We talked about it on the show. If you have a little couple extra bucks hanging around, it wasn't a bad grab, but don't try and chill me Verge at 60 Satoshis. I ain't got
Yeah,
time.
who I
it's
am.
like, did you even watch? I think it was the fourth show we did where we talked about like it's gonna be a long hold. I don't even think Android was on back then. It's like it's gonna be a long hold. Buy it, hold it, wait for it. Then like months later, some guys tweeting you, man, have you heard of Vergecoin? It's totally cool, man.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, it's paying off very nicely. So, congrats to anybody holding Verge. All right, that's very much all there is to say. I mean, Zcash, we missed last week, but they've had some pretty big news at Consensus and stuff, and the price is looking pretty good. What do you guys think?
I think it finally has fundamental drivers to it, and the fact that the shadow brokers are asking for it for basically their ransom now. But it's interesting the way the shadow brokers are putting it out there. They don't even really care about it or believe in its anonymity. They think it's bullshit, but they're just like, let's just test this out, see if it's better than Bitcoin. So, and if anyone doesn't know, the shadow brokers are the main release/dump group involved in the NSA leaks that pretty much permeated to WannaCry.
Right. Yeah.
I think I just said a bunch of bullshit, but you guys should know if you're in crypto.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. What's up with the JP Morgan thing as well? Like, what's that about? Do you know?
I guess they're hiring Zuko to hopefully not run their Twitter.
Yeah, right. And he needs to just fucking get off Twitter. He needs to stop. I bet you if he deletes his Twitter, it'll just go to fucking $1,000 a coin.
Yeah, no, I thought that JP Morgan stuff was actually like pretty interesting because I mean Zcash has only been around since like October, you know, so it's been less than a year and they're already that's a pretty big name to be throwing out there. So
Yeah. Well, I mean, for disclosure, I bought a bag at 9 million satoshis a while ago because I mean the chart looked really good. It looked like the first leg in like a proper DGB type pump. I mean, just look at DGB and look at ZEC now. So I mean, I thought this is like the first leg. I put out I published a chart on TradingView and everything. So I mean, I have a bag. So hopefully,
yeah, I also put some or sold some Bitcoin, I guess, for Zcash and plan to just kind of hold that along with like Ethereum and all these other ones. So I think it's for the long term definitely looking good.
Yeah, it's in a weird ass spot. It looked super bullish a couple days ago, and now it just looks like it's slowly dripping down. So
yeah,
who knows? I mean,
I kind of disagree there because if you look, it's
You're gonna say
consolidating. It's
scallop?
consolidating in a major
Frying pan?
area.
yeah,
So.
yeah. I mean, that's probably it. It's like, what the fuck you said? Frying pan?
That's what he calls it.
You say frying scallops in a frying pan.
Oh, okay.
Bro, this coin's up 13% this week. It's boring as hell.
Yeah, I
there-
gotta say, it is boring as hell.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
And then I still got wrecked by the Tumen bros in cloud mining. So
All those
shout
cloud
out
mining
them.
contracts.
I hope you're enjoying my bitcoins, you motherfuckers. So yeah.
No, I seriously, I wish the worst on those guys. I want to go to their mining facility, open up every fucking case, and then just shit in all their miners.
Okay.
Yeah, next
Go
time,
Because the
throughout
price is
entire
inflated, I
facility.
think we've hit about 7% return on investment. So yeah, maybe if it passes Bitcoin, I might see.
Yeah, one
Um,
Zcash equals one Bitcoin by the end of the year. That's my prediction.
You just chose the wrong cloud mining contract.
Yeah. If you would have built a miner for half the price, you could have you would have been way better
that's
off.
true, of course. But I'm just saying, I'm 50% to ROI right now.
What?
Well, fuck you, dude.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean,
8%.
I don't even know what I'm at. I don't even fucking.
I'm with Juggalo, so yeah, fuck you, Ambroid.
yeah,
Got a ways to go.
Well,
I'm a
Zcash
Jets
is how I'm
miner,
zeroing
so-
out my taxes. Let's just put it that way.
Yeah.
Let's not
So it's
let's
like,
not brag. I mean, I'm 0% ROI as well. I didn't buy the cloud thing at all because I'm not dumb.
Yeah, but you're also not smart enough to get the database ICOs, so they kind of equal each other out, don't they?
Okay, you're gonna keep.
all right.
Boom!
Alright, what
Shots
about
fired!
database?
Shots fired!
All right, what about databits then? Is there anything we can talk about yet? Need a coin?
No, let's give it a couple more weeks. We got the burn coming up on the 15th, so we'll see how many coins get burned here.
All right.
And then we'll get it on CoinMarketCap and go from there.
Oh, let me move these off the list.
When you said CoinMarketCap, I'm like thinking next, are we gonna get some dice games too?
No, I seriously get a lot of noobs messaging me, just being like, "What's the market cap of this?" Because it isn't on there. So
Yeah,
I think
no,
it'll be
that
good
makes
when
sense.
people finally get to see it.
Yeah, somebody was saying like, "Oh, it's 650th place," and I'm like, "Bro, check
Yeah,
again."
yeah, exactly. So
what about Blackcoin?
I like it.
Blackcoin's
That's-
kind of in a.
It was
It's interesting,
interesting.
man.
It dipped hard, dude. It dipped to like 6,000 just like a week ago or something. It was
But you know what? You put that shit on like monthly chart. Like I know it sounds weird.
Weekly one.
Weekly you'll do. If it just breaks that, what is it, 20K? I think it is.
yeah, I know.
It's just got so much room to go because just you got multi-year butt hurt behind you. But other than that, you're fine.
Yeah, I set a bunch of bids up at 8K. They're just consistently been getting hit slowly. I think that's a great buy area if you get in there. Be patient.
Yeah, I've been holding for a while, but that was interesting. I was kind of getting nervous. I was like, "Fuck, dude, dipping down to like 7,000." It's like, wow, it's kind of weird. And then yesterday I looked, it was at 10,000 again. So
Yeah, I mean, it's always been that it's always been that coin that like people don't really hate on too much because they know that Rat 4 is like the man with, proof of stake, and like you kind of can't even attack him if you stole your code base from him.
You most likely did.
So yeah, like
Isn't like all coins based on black coin or something?
but a lot
like,
of them.
yeah, so like so many are based on him that like the alert code that shoots to the wallet and lets people know whatever, like, "Hey, guys, we have a fork coming," whatever you want to use a message for, that is still in tons of GitHub commits.
Yeah, you see black coin in there a lot, so that's funny. Yeah, I was getting a little nervous when I was dipping down like that, but it's looking interesting. So
Yeah, it's one of those charts where like obviously it doesn't look good, but if you know what you're doing, it looks good because you're just thinking of all the people that's shaking out.
yeah, yep, I've been holding since fucking last year, so I'm still in it to win it, boys.
Wait, you mean you don't go to cash every night out of fear? Wow.
I just turn off the screen and go to bed.
That's a new paradigm.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, black coin's looking pretty sweet too. What chart guy, what do you want to?
No, I think it was said. It did the classic nice 70 to 80% retrace from the bottom. And of course, it was mentioned here that it's best charted on these higher time frames. You got to be patient with it. We had a nice double bottom over the winter, basically. And now we're grinding out all these resistances and hopefully we break them. So, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I gotta go.
Oh, dude, what happened to Crypto
All right.
Poly? I'm looking at the thread, and he's saying that he went out in poker. Like, I'm guessing he got wrecked in poker. That was the guy that made that awesome rap.
Oh God, really?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm interpreting that right, but if so, man, sorry to hear that, bro. No, that's the dude that he did that. He did, I think, 2 raps and included us in one, and it was pretty dope.
I linked it. I'll have to link it again. It's kind of funny.
So yeah, shout out to Crypto Raptor. Hope you're not wrecked, bro. So yeah, someone mentioned Vox. Like,
I was just about to fucking say that. I was like, let's get it over with. Vox.
Yeah, I mean, I know this is the season, right? But
yeah, why not? Wait.
Vox.
Get it up,
I bought a
chart
knife.
guy.
I bought a knife at one point, and then the hilt had just AIDS, so I just tossed it back. Yeah, this
Chart was
like, how do you? I think the only way you trade this is off psychology, because that chart ain't really telling much. Like,
yeah,
I mean, there's some market structure, but it's mainly you're just hoping that it's going to clean up its act.
Is Vox a
I mean, they
scam
kind
or
of
not?
are, right? Well, it's a legal scam. It's a legal scam. There's a bunch of legal scams on Trex. Remember?
Holy shit.
Oh my God! Look at this chart.
Yeah. No, I mean, why? I don't even know. Don't draw lines, man.
No,
Just keep
draw
going.
the
Just keep
line,
zooming
man.
out.
What could possibly go wrong?
Dude.
I mean, you can't tell. You can't tell there was private mining going on the entire time. You know, it's essentially a.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I don't know.
They're still closed source, and they're still doing their own checkpoints.
Let's just stay quiet for a second and quietly zoom out.
I mean,
and then you see the ICO buyer's price, 140,000 Satoshi.
Yeah, I mean, it's still we're gonna talk shit about it, but we're all gonna maybe take trades in silence because we don't want to punish our followers. But
Right.
for all intents and purposes, like, it just feels bad to even shill it when I do. Like, I really think to myself, like, how many lives am I gonna take today?
I hate the 3 letters Vox coming out of my mouth.
The funny shit is, it was in such a nice uptrend before the delist.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. It was such a nice bull trend, but then it got shut on.
Yep.
Thanks,
Well, that was a story with Cure. That was a story with a number of them. It's just like, oh, look, it's above trend. Oh, fuck you, it's delisted.
Yeah, that was kind of weird, but I mean, not for Vox's case, but for some of the other ones too.
Yeah, I mean, if we want to, actually just stay, as objective as we can, which is really hard. It just bounced off some support, and obviously the buy volume just poured in. But
Yeah.
is that just a product? I don't know, man. It's really shitty. Like, you just got to get a really low bid, fixed risk. You never want to sell the bottom of this because you don't know if it's the bottom.
Yeah.
Fuck this coin. Just fuck this coin.
Yeah, they did come back. What was it, 3 weeks ago, and started up a YouTube channel, started doing devcast, and they've got like 4 videos out now. As soon as 3 days ago, I think was the last one. So they're trying to take that avenue now.
I mean, it's tough because, when you see an immediate pump and dump in the chart, the best thing to do is wait for, a good amount of time for consolidation and whatnot. And like, that's just so recent.
Yeah.
That's just so like, what are you hoping for? Like, it's just going to flash pump, past all the people who just lost all their money.
Yes.
Okay. That's fair.
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, well, I since I honestly don't give a shit about the fundamentals here, because I'm one of those people who just don't care sometimes, most of the time, almost all the time.
Jesus.
Yeah, so you just have to wait for it to confirm that it just won't keep touching these all-time lows repeatedly.
Yeah.
And maybe bounce off from somewhere. What you want is a confirmation of an uptrend, and what you're getting is a confirmation of someone fucking up the uptrend whenever it tries to happen.
Right?
Yeah.
That's what it is. Exactly. It's just fucking people just getting squashed.
Yeah. I'm getting sick right now. We should change the coin.
Yeah, I think Coinergy is upset that you have it up there that long.
Yeah, I'm upset. About to end the broadcast, dude. About ARC. Do we want to talk about this or no?
Sure.
All right.
If nothing else, we can cover the chart.
Yeah,
Which
I'm
is
excited.
very
I'm
nice.
excited for these new coins, man.
Yeah, these ones are looking pretty good.
Yeah, so you know what Picasso would call this? This is a full market cycle. Twice now,
Yeah,
where you get the legs up and the consolidation, and you stabilize higher, and the legs up and the consolidation, and it's starting again. It's getting above once again. So it's gonna test this resistance a couple of times maybe, and then pop off again.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, the cool
that's my
thing
opinion.
when that happens is that if it does actually come to fruition, and it breaks above I can't really see the top or whatever, it breaks above the top boundary, then
32K,
like all the candles on the left just get like tiny as shit. They get
Squash,
squished,
yeah.
and you just see like, the parabolic candles come in, and that's just fucking chart porn right there. So you gotta actually put your mind in the like pretty much bull stage, because otherwise it just looks like you're gonna run into all this resistance, but it looks good, man.
Yeah, and I think they they have like pretty good fundamentals. The project is project too. So
Yeah, I mean, I haven't heard anything besides that they're a non-shitty Lisk.
yeah, basically that's what I that's what I got out of it too. So yeah, I think this for longer term, they've got a development team and stuff. Not looking too bad.
And one of the most exciting things, I think, hands down, is that it did not Trex it. It was one of the first in a while to not Trex it.
Yeah,
and it
had a really good volume on
Yep.
opening day and stuff. Yeah, so
Especially considering some people got their DAO refunds from it. As far as I understand it, I think Juggalo did.
Yeah, that was more so though just funneling Ethereum into it.
Right.
Because they had that Ethereum Lisk pairing, and they had the 120% bonus on Lisk on day one. So there's a lot of Lisk that went into it.
Ah, okay.
this is the weirdest bonus I've ever seen is 120%. Like, that's ridiculously high, but I guess it worked out for people.
Yeah, so like for me, more as an investor, not so much as a trader. I started buying this at the start of May here, around 15,000 satoshis, right where it's at. Bought it down right to that 10 range, and just kind of been riding the waves. I think long term this is a really good project. Definitely one I wanted to be a part of. They got the smart bridge, so that's a pretty cool feature. I think overall this is a good coin. I wouldn't expect anything to happen immediately, but if you're in this for the long term, you're probably going to benefit by holding this coin.
Yeah. Market cap is sitting at about $36 million. I'm not sure how much they raised, but I mean, it is well above ICO price. But yeah, I agree. Definitely.
Yeah, which is only 50th on coin market cap also, by the way. So
Dude, I was just looking the other day, the top 100 are 10 million now.
Yo,
Yeah.
somebody said like a 250 cap is $1 million now. I don't know if that's true, but if so, what the fuck?
Yeah, dude. I don't know, man. I was looking at that. I just had to turn off the screen and go to bed.
Yeah, it is true. It's right around 250 is $1 million.
God damn.
Back in my day, we had $10,000 caps. Yeah. No. Arc looks pretty sweet. Are you guys into Wild Beast Bitcoin or Wild
It's
Beast
Wild
Block?
Beast Block, man.
Yeah.
Oh, god damn it.
Unleash the beast, my dude.
Yeah, I've been in that coin for a long time. Definitely a long-term holder. I know Digi's been in it for quite a while as well. I like the project. I think it's a sound project, and coin supply is low. Market cap's still been really low, so a dollar coin, in my opinion, wasn't very expensive. But yeah, I've been bagging this coin for like a year, kind of waiting for the project to kind of fill in all the gaps that they had. But yeah.
Yeah, I've
I've
been following this one for not so much recently, but I mean back in the day, like it was such a weird coin. But yeah, good. I agree. And they have lions or whatever and tigers.
Did they ever take care of that? Did they get rid of the high school logo they stole?
It
was like a high school sports team.
They still have it. It looks like a football team.
Oh man.
I thought you said, do they take care of the animals? Like, I hope they did. I don't know. Because I know they literally had like a lion. They adopted a fucking tiger or something like that.
I'm
I
sorry.
hope they took care of that animal.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, you never heard about that? They adopted like a tiger. The developers have like a tiger in there.
Are you fucking serious right now?
Yeah, dude, you guys didn't know that? It was so long ago. It's like when the coin first came out. They were like
No, I
adopting
did not
fucking.
know that. Now I want to go all in.
Yeah, I do too,
Yeah,
man.
I mean, we're talking about a fucking lion here. You know what I mean?
I don't know.
I mean, what other way to show your, venture capitalists your dominance? They come in for the meeting and you're like, "Oh, excuse my lion."
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I found it. Here, I want to share my screen really quick.
Didn't they have like physical silver coins too?
But that's not
Yeah,
as cool as a goddamn lion, bro.
So like they have Manzi the lion.
Oh man.
Manzi is a very trusting character. He is the most social with his keepers of the three brothers. They have three fucking lions, dude. They have Lila the snow leopard and Nias the tiger. They literally have these animals. Like they're protecting their private keys.
Coins when.
Oh man. Dude. I've spent Bitcoin on some stupid shit, but I've never bought a lion, yo.
But have you adopted a lion with Wild Beast Block?
No, man. That's life. That's a life goal right there.
Yeah, so they're protecting their private keys with animals.
We need a shitcoin talk lion, man.
Oh my god, I can't believe you guys didn't know that.
No.
Just put Godson in a suit or something.
Oh, that's messed up. He's not even here, yo.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying that he can't defend himself.
Nice.
That's the point.
Nice. See, those are the fundamentals you need to know. Like hands down.
What, that coin developers have animals now?
Yeah,
Yes.
seriously. That's a proper
Okay.
use of funding right there.
I think so. I think they did a great job.
Didn't
Oh,
Vitalik just tweet about it too?
did what?
Didn't Vitalik
He
just tweet
did.
about it too, jokingly?
He did. Yeah, he did. He was joking, but it doesn't
Oh
matter.
yeah, Vitalik. Yeah, he did. He did fucking tweet about it. He's like all in Wild Beast block or something, and he even
Man,
linked it. He linked the
They used the
website or
hashtag,
something.
I
At
thought.
this point, when fucking crypto has so many eyes on it, there's no such thing as bad publicity.
Agreed.
Look at
From that guy,
on-
I don't think you could ever have bad publicity from that guy.
look at Andreas the other day. He went on and said match pool was a scam and the devs are gonna run away. They ran away with your money and all this. And what did the coin do? It just pumped. People were like, "What's match pool?" Like,
Yeah.
cool, I'll go buy some of this.
Oh, we could
So-
talk. That one's on the list. We could hit.
Yeah,
that one real
And then he
quick.
retracted it.
Yeah, and then he took it back, so it just gave it more pump fuel.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
yeah,
Chart guy, you want to pull up GUP?
no such thing as bad publicity.
GUP. GUP.
Yeah,
Guppy.
What
you ain't
is
wrong
that?
on that.
That's match pool. It's a Ethereum math set.
It's hooker.
Pretty
It's a dating site.
No,
for
it's escorts
using the
on the
blockchain.
blockchain. It's
Escorts on the blockchain.
yeah,
So,
just like
yeah,
Stratus?
No,
where's my
it-
yummy Bitcoin?
it's like a test net for Legends room. That's what it is.
Oh God.
Yeah.
We're still
Yeah, that's
saving, dude. We are still saving for that with the tips, right?
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna when we get enough tips up, we're gonna go to the Legends room and do a live show. We're gonna have all these girls dancing around us.
All right.
It's
Now,
Satoshi's daughter that they keep advertising.
yeah. After I talk shit about this shitty coin, I'm seeing that. Yeah, that's a potential nice breakout.
Yeah, that's so I didn't hear about many of these coins, and then like started hearing about Liqui, and then all these coins were on Liqui, and then soon after like Bittrex started adding them. So
Yeah, just be
You gotta
careful.
be ahead of the curve, man. Liqui had all the good stuff. I know we were buying a lot of the ETH assets over there for quite a while. This project,
yeah,
Match Pool raised $6 million when they came out. It's right now it's valued at about 21 million.
yeah,
Like,
Liqui had. I mean, Edgeless was selling for like 3,000 sats over there. I mean, all these coins are.
Yeah, dude.
Time was on there for the longest.
Basic
time.
attention token is already there.
Yeah,
Because,
that's why I was surprised
literally,
that Bittrex
10
didn't
minutes
have
after the
that.
ICO.
Yeah, no, Liqui is a good place to find some shit. So, but yeah, I don't know. This one, I don't know. There's not much history yet. So
Are you
No,
actually
it's a
telling
dating-
me? Wait. Are you telling me Match Pool's coin name is Guppy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yes, this is crypto.
I just want to know how many lions they have.
Nothing. They have a bunch of tadpoles.
Well, no, they have to at least have two so they can match them.
Yeah. Pretty
No,
much.
they have three. Wild Beast Block has three lions.
No, I mean
That's
Guppy.
really hard. That's really hard to compete with, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing
Yeah, I
with
don't know about-
ETH assets and this Match Pool and other ETH assets as well, like this one is a decentralized dating website with using the blockchain, and then but a lot of these apps aren't coming out until 2018. So they're really by the dip. You don't really, I don't feel like, have to chase a lot of these ones. I've just been like same with Edgeless. I've been accumulating under 10K. That's a great price for me. So that's kind of the way that I've been playing these. A lot of these are gonna have slow things launching, but most of it's not coming out till 2018. You're not getting a project right when they launch, but
Yeah. Yet they got a shit ton of fucking money for it.
Oh yeah.
yeah, the ICO, like I said, raised 6 million. It's at 21 million now.
Yeah. And they just reminded me of some of my old jobs where I did fucking nothing and got paid anyway. So
That's Guppy. $6 million. Cool.
man.
Yeah. Any other ETH assets you guys are looking at? We can hit them if you want.
Yeah, I'm hitting like majority of them.
Like all of them. Yeah.
Yeah, not all of them. I wouldn't go that far, but yeah, definitely hitting up like Time and
Yeah, Time is a good one.
Gotham.
We could look at that one. It was Muted Mind was on here, or no, that was who was it? It was Rocky, wasn't it? Was talking about Time. I don't know what episode that was, but
Yeah, Time looks solid. If you look at this like a Wyckoff structure, it just keeps making higher highs and higher lows.
Yep.
So you just set the top of the last accumulation zone as your buy zone, and you try to buy there, set some bids, and they also hit, and eventually, and it's pretty stable so far. So it's waiting for its breakout, I think, just like wings and waves and shit.
Yep.
All these projects are solid, but you got to give it a bit of time, a couple of months even.
Yeah, and this one's got the
So-
low coin supply, so the breakout is probably going to be
Yeah,
pretty
so
good.
if you're looking for a quick pump and dump, fuck off.
Yeah, no, this is long-term holders definitely will get rewarded for this stuff.
Yo, one of the ARC devs or ARC media guys, he commented, he said, non-shitty list, best compliment we've had today.
What? Really?
That's awesome.
Dude, nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah, looks like we got like 120 viewers right now. So
Yeah, when it comes to time, I'm not gonna front on that. Like I bought the breakout at like I think it was like 100-ish or whatever, and it was going well until like it didn't. so I cut it, but seeing how big it dipped, I'm very happy with that initial loss. But yeah, I'll probably get back in.
Yeah, I've recently bought some after I saw I was back at the 700s, 800s. So
Yeah, I bought it a few months ago, right around that like 0.005 range and whatever. Long-term hold for me, crazy call. Just throwing it out there. 1-1 with ETH. That's my call.
Damn.
Yeah.
Target?
What episode is this?
Target?
What episode is this? Episode 30?
Yeah, episode 30.
I want to confirm.
Go, boys.
I want to confirm that is your target.
That is my target.
1 Ethereum per time. Okay.
That is his target.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, it will happen if Ethereum crashes and burns.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny that the Ethereum assets, what I'm doing is like, you could trade them for Bitcoin, but like if I have all the profit, I would probably just cash out in Ethereum and like keep that around. So
yeah, no, you guys got a solid plan with that. I probably jump on that.
Good way to get Ethereum, I think.
Yeah. Oh shit, Godson's back.
Someone heard Godson heard someone talk shit, so he came back.
What are you guys talking about?
We're talking about time.
Yeah.
Time is now.
The shitty call that Coin made.
one of many shitty calls, yeah.
Pumped 2x and then retraced 90%. Good job.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome back, Godson.
Yeah, welcome back, bud. Wait, how much time are we in right now?
I
40 minutes?
38 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. We can hit a few more things and then
you know what I fucking hate is when someone asks us about something that went parabolic. You got somebody here, hot pot, asking about Digibyte. No.
Let's look at it.
No. What are we supposed to do with that?
You can't short Digibyte. So
cry.
You want to all hold hands and just cry? Like
yes. I would love to hold hands and cry.
Let's cry about strat.
Look at these nice chart patterns that you can't see anymore.
Yeah. Look at that.
Where was everybody in April? Like, where was everybody? Nowhere.
Yeah.
These guys have short-term memories, man. They're like, it's all about today. What's up? You put a show on today, they just go look what's up the most, and they want to talk about it.
This is another one we've been fucking talking about since episode 1. I mean, I don't even know how long, but
yeah, we even had a Trump call saying buy it under 20 satoshis. Like,
dude.
Now that it's at its all-time high, we all hate it. It's the worst project, and we're just moving on.
Yeah, I heard people talking like, Digibyte is broken. Why is it pumping? It's like, it's on Poloniex first of all, so that's probably one of the only reasons. I don't know, man.
Yeah.
Bro, it's got nothing on Rise 2.0.
Yeah, I don't think I never thought it had anything on anything really. I always thought it was garbage. That's why I'm upset I let it go, because garbage pumps the hardest.
I like DG Boys. It's such a
Did you bitch?
solid
What?
coin.
Did you what? Did you bitch?
Did you bitch?
No, I'm salty though. I mean, I sold it in the bear trap, and fuck that coin.
Yeah,
I
fuck
mean-
it, that one, dude. I don't like it either. Ugh.
I
You
saw
know
that
what?
as well, but I've been using it as an indicator for buying a Sia coin, which I've made like the most money on this whole
Yeah.
season. So I'm not salty at all.
Yeah, I mean, that's actually one of the best things to do, I think, when a coin mega pumps is that in a season, you can kind of use it as a reference for a lot of other coins, because I think it's like a dick waving competition for some of these market makers. So they want to outdo or model their charts after other ones.
Yeah.
So
What is
these are,
Digi buy it up
definitely
like 70 times from the yearly lows now?
I can't do that calculation without
Yeah,
like, cutting my
it's
wrist.
70 because I bought
So
it
it's
at
7,000%.
yeah
Nice.
7,000%. Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, there you go.
No, yeah, you need the coma strategy for that. Buy, hold, coma.
8,000%.
Buy, hold,
8,000.
coma.
8,000% Digi
You
buy.
need-
No one ever
you
thought
need to
it could
buy
happen.
and then
Buy it here, buy it here.
Yep.
I swear, it's gonna go higher, man. No worries, no
This is
worries.
another one. You could have bought the all-time high break, and it would have been pretty good off. I mean,
Yeah, I mean, I could have sold half on a double about 40 times and had about $10 left, but whatever, it's fine.
relentless, dude. Relentless. Every time. Hi, Brian.
Brian
what- Brian Bayman.
You know what? You know what? Somebody's talking about COVAL. I don't have any, but it's got that thing going on where if you put logarithmic on, you can see that it's probably gonna pump.
Isn't this the one we were like, people are asking about it, and it was frozen for 3 months?
Oh, that was the best. Like, yeah, they're like, oh, what do you think of COVAL? I think it's not even fucking working right
Accumulation.
now. Yeah, exactly. Oh my god, yeah.
No, that was the accumulation zone. You just don't understand.
Yeah, it was
we didn't
being
understand.
accumulated
Obviously, don't understand.
OTC.
It's doing great.
Yeah, look at
Wherever
the
Crypto Richards
tight
is, I
range
hope
it
he's
had.
doing well.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know much about what's going on. I'm surprised Bittrex didn't delist this one because the market was frozen for 3 months. Like we were talking about that, like the developers should just ask their market to be frozen so they don't get delisted.
Yeah, that was a great strategy. Seriously. Yeah, no,
I
I
don't
don't know anything about. I know it was Ribbit Coin, right? Or Ribbit.
Yeah,
Me
Ribbit
or
Rewards.
RBR.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Crypto Richards was like a whale in that thing when it was like 16
Yeah, well,
Satoshis or whatever.
Yeah, but I think when it fell from 400, he got harpooned. So I really feel bad for the dude
That was a
or
nasty
girl,
nasty
whatever.
dump.
Yeah, between that,
What is it
and-
called? Circuits of value and what?
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
Circuits of Value COVAL.
Yeah, they were gonna give you rewards for brushing your teeth or something, and like seriously, the news came out of what the rewards were gonna be based on, and they were like micro tasks of stupid shit. And I think someone tweeted out like, "Yo, there's gonna be rewards for brushing your teeth," and it went from 400 down to like 80 in the next.
Yeah.
You-
Yeah,
Nobody
the
wants to
volume,
brush their teeth,
volume
though.
bars on that dump is pretty amazing.
It was like Fitbit for special kids. It was really stupid.
Fitbit for special kids.
I'm gonna go to hell.
Oh my god.
Dude, we need to stop doing the show. we need to just shut it down.
Yeah, I mean, but it looks
Oh,
it looks
fuck.
good, and what I meant by like you put it in log, like you can just usually tell a chart if they accumulated in low sats and it's already up like 5 or 6 times, it's usually gonna go higher. Same thing for
Yeah.
Wait. Wasn't this that one that Beamish wanted to buy? Is like, oh, look at it, it's bottomed out, like but it was in like turned out for months or something.
same thing with Blake Coin. He wanted to buy it even though it was
Yeah,
delisted.
delisting.
God
You
damn
know,
it.
man.
You don't need to know. You don't need to know simple things like market
Yeah,
operation
that's
state.
not an issue, dude. They're just banking out doubles on Cryptopia when the coin moves over.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. He still got.
Okay.
Next.
Still got
Next.
Oh,
I think we can hit like one more coin, and then we'll just do a little roundup to see what you guys are doing.
You know
Yeah,
what?
pick a
You
good
know what?
one. Pick
I
a
like
good one.
I like going from the top of the list because it's like whoever FOMO'd faster. Somebody mentioned Draco, and I'm like, whoa, we didn't have to shill you on that.
Yeah, we haven't. I don't know. We haven't really talked about Draco too much. We can look at that.
Man,
real
I
quick.
talked about Draco like crazy.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know
that's
you
the
do.
funny thing. That's how I know we got noobs when they're showing us our own coins, bro. I love noobs. You guys are like providing buy support whenever the hell I need to get out. You guys are just buying shit. And keep going. I love you. I love you all. Stop
That's kind of how
attacking.
crypto works. So like, I'll make a call, and then like, probably a week or two later, once it doubled, Godson will buy it and ride that call and get really loud about it, and then he just kind of steals the call, right? That's kind of how crypto works.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bought
Pretty cool,
recently.
though.
Yeah, I bought recently. And I bought it. I put out my trade plan, if you will, for how to do it because I tried to bring a bit more equity and strategy over to Trex that I was using on Polo, and I just got stopped out like 4 different times. And dude, if you're gonna trade something like this on Trex, man, you just carve out a portion of your equity and just fucking kiss that shit goodbye. And that's what I did. And I just bought someone's sell wall, like, yo, thanks.
Yeah.
Because this could easily just go back to 100. I don't want it to, but whatever.
What you should focus on when you're entering positions like this is risk management. You should only have a percentage or two put towards these kind of coins anyways. So, I always see guys saying, oh, I wish I would have put in more. I wish, then when it doesn't work, I wish I would have put in less. Well, 1% should be 1%. You shouldn't really be focusing on
I agree.
essential percentages. Yeah.
Yep. Because you know what? It's going to go like whenever it goes like mad far, you always risk too little. And then whenever you take the biggest loss, it's because you thought, it was a special moment. But yeah.
The time when you thought a shitcoin wasn't a shitcoin, but then it turned out to be a shitcoin.
Yeah. But another thing I'm liking too is that people are asking us about this, and I think it's like on page 10 of Trex.
Yeah.
So it shows that people are hunting again for the lower caps, and they're not just going with whatever's on the top 5.
Yeah, no, it's great, really. I think having a spread out portfolio is probably the main key for those people who are listening. Your hits don't have to happen all the time every day. If you set yourself up right, a percentage, 1% here or 2% there, long term you're going to be set up a little bit better. You can skim from that and keep your percentages, add on to different coins, add on to percentages, whatever you want to do there. But don't go into something just 30% because this is the next big thing. Like, just be right, stay at a nice percentage you're not going to get hurt at.
Yeah. It looks like it's in a good zone, but there's a lot of resistance here. So like there's going to be some dumbass that buys it, and it's just going to go right back down to, what is that, 180?
Yeah, 190-ish.
Yeah, I'd love to see this thing break like 500 Satoshi mark. That'd be nice. But really low coin supply. One of the lower coins on track still.
It's also got a lot of scam hate. A lot of people don't like it because the dev did an off-chain swap, and he's just super shady. I love that, man. The more shady, the better, because by the time he looks legit, it's just gonna be up like 6x.
Yep.
He did that conference in Moldova, I think it was. Was that the place? And people just started hating on him after that. I don't know. I thought that was actually a good sign, but I guess people didn't like that one. But time will tell. I see how big this project can possibly get. I know that if you're looking at a gamble, 1% gamble, this is definitely the kind of area that you would hit. But yeah, it's not a for sure.
Yeah, no, that's for sure.
Considering Brian Kelly just tarnished his rep and the whole not project, I wonder if that brings any more value to Draco in like some weird asset class comparison.
Possibly. I don't know.
I don't know.
Pretty weird.
Yeah. All I know is a long time ago I said it was a scam, and then here I am buying it like a fucking hypocrite.
Dude, you say it's a scam, but you could still buy it if you think it's a scam. It's okay. Well, I think we could do a little roundup between us and see what everyone's been doing the last 2 weeks, and then close it out. But we didn't hit dot. That's what we were gonna do last time, but whatever.
Oh fuck, man. Anyway, moving on. I mean,
Yeah, fuck, whatever. So news. What's new the last 2 weeks?
last 2 weeks have actually been pretty interesting. For a while we were just in buy and hold mode, but we kind of took a shit with Bitcoin because that's what we do now. We pump with Bitcoin and we dump with Bitcoin. That makes perfect sense. Nothing new there. But I bought back into a whole bunch of shit I dumped out of, and just waiting for it to kind of move. I'm still waiting for Doug to hit 300 sats because that's the kind of world we live in now. I recently picked up some NXT and Ardor because I saw they're going like on a shilling tour, hitting up some conferences and stuff, and that's kind of the new thing to do. Like, seeing dumbasses buy ICOs with anonymous devs, and it's like, yo, no, you want your dev to be doxxed and go into whatever blockchain conference there is. Like,
Yeah,
there's public faces to shill now. Don't be stupid. Don't buy, what is it, Equitrader. Don't be dumb. There's better scams these days. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of bags now. I'm anticipating mass FOMO, so I kind of spread myself a little thin. I organized Polo by 24-hour volume, on the low side and lowest market cap, and I just bought up the bottom rung 5 of each. So I'm fucking ready, man. Let's pass it off to Juggalo.
Not too much going on here. Just kind of penning a few older bags. The only thing lately I've gambled on was Aurora Coin. Recently had a revival, one of many, actually, on Twitter, coming back after a year or two to tweet. They're claiming they're going to have an ICO, so
nice.
Another small sub, 0.5% risk, gamble on that. Between farms, so not much mining going on there. Just kind of waiting on the Zencash market open, which I'm expecting any time now on Bittrex, hopefully. That's
Sweet.
about it here.
Nice. What about you, Ambroid?
I've been consolidating my positions. I've been looking at what's been happening. Didn't have too much time lately, but I did go on a shopping spree today, in fact, where I bought a bunch of Bittrex coins that are looking solid as projects and as charts. So just to name a few, it's Time Lunar, Monetary Unit, Geocoin, Edgeless, Quark, Bytes, and Breakout. And regarding mining, I'm still mining Netco. I'm waiting for the proof of work to end quite soon, in a few days, in fact. And afterwards, I'll reevaluate what to mine.
Sweet. Well, you need a coin.
Basically still kind of the same as before. So I'll just say, like, you can follow me on Twitter. I usually put up a pic, and I don't like to just post it 6, 7, 8 times. So, if you miss it, you miss it. But I was loading up on ETH, Waves, ETC, Ubic, Counterparty, Next, those kind of things, and then getting into their assets. Basically focusing on doing that right now, spreading my portfolio like that. Also looking at Rise with the 2.0 coming out, and then Ruby Coin, they have Trader Daddy enabled now for Bittrex, and before it was only available on Polo to use that bot. So I grabbed some more Ruby Coin. I anticipate that'll help move the market a little bit, and more people will use that bot. But that's about it. Like I said, just kind of going with the flow. I'll add on as I see necessary, but for right now, I'm pretty comfortable with the assets I own.
Sweet. Yeah. I'll need this week, and Verge last week or whatever treated me pretty well. So, but same thing with the Ethereum assets. Time, I got some of that. bought some Zcash just to have it for long term. Kind of, Bitcoin's kind of slow and stupid. So, but not a lot. Just chilling. So, I'm trying to get the miner running finally, and that's about it here. So, yeah. Is there any last words you guys have before we end this broadcast?
Yeah, sure. I'm disappointed we did not have a racist joke this show.
That's good. I'm glad.
No, I mean, I think that's a product of Godson's early departure. So we tried. We
Are
tried.
you calling Godson racist?
Yes.
This was not a fluke.
Yeah. We got a Twitter account, Twitter.com shitcoin talk, YouTube, follow us, subscribe,
Over 1K followers.
Yeah.
Yes.
We
If
got
you shill us
1,000
with a tip,
subscribers.
we will prioritize your shill.
Yeah, you can tip us, no obligations to size or whatever. Just tip us $1 billion so we can go to the Legends room.
Exactly. We won't do
Um,
anything irresponsible with it. We won't market buy random coins. We're not going to do that. not
Probably
really
just cloud mining contracts, but besides that, we'll be fine.
Yeah, we're gonna send it to the Tuman brothers.
Oh,
Just
why-
about 4,000 followers on Twitter, so appreciate that. Yeah, I guess I don't know if Fridays are gonna be the new norm. We'll figure it out, but we'll let everybody know. So that's it. Shitcoin Talk, episode 30. See you next time.
Alrighty. Thank you, guys. Peace.
Later, lads.
Peace.
Peace.